welcome to my workshop. I have these side quest guys here with me, and we are going to be doing $15 challenge at the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna do mermaid makeup.
We're finally gonna be beautiful!
Shiny stuff, mascara, bright colors, and possibly lipstick.
I didn't fully understand this idea, but now that I've heard it, I'm a little like, okay!
I'm gonna be doing it on my own face, and then they're gonna be copying what I do to their own faces.
My face will probably just be like sludged. It's like, oh!
If we're being fair, wouldn't a mermaid's makeup always look like that?
No,
because they're underwater.
They have waterproof makeup, Cody!
That's true.
Eyelashes.
Okay.
Eyeshadow.
Okay.
Where is it?
I'm really out of my element here. We're learning.
Do you want liquid eyeliner or do you want pencil eyeliner?
What's easiest?
Pencil.
Pencil!
I knew that one. It's purple.
Okay, let's see how much we have. You can use eyeshadows, you can share those, but you cannot share eyeliner or mascara because it spreads infection.
I'm surprised you didn't know that.
Yeah, I don't want your pink eye, Cody.
Why are you wearing sunglasses?
I don't know.
This is really sparkly. We got all the makeups now, and we're gonna go buy it, and we're gonna start this challenge. So we are back now from the store, from Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna jump right into it.
Dallin and I have both done theater before, but we've never attempted anything
I've done
this.
I've done very minimal makeup, like just put a bunch of cream on your face, etc., etc. But this is
Okay, not literally just that. I mean, it's actually.
I've done a little, but this is like out of 1 to 10 scale of difficulty level of makeup, I've done like 3.
Yeah, this will be interesting.
Start with your wet wipe. You're gonna wanna clear off your face so there's no
Come here,
gunk on
Cody.
it.
No, do your own. My word.
It's actually an exfoliating one, so.
I was gonna ask what these magic lumps were.
I think I'm done. Are you still filming?
Yes.
Okay.
Now what we're gonna use is our primer, and if you guys just bring your fingers over here, I will put a dollop on it, and you're gonna put this all over your face.
Just this one little dot all over my face.
It goes for a long way. It really does. Make sure you get it on your nose and your eyelids and your eyebrows, because those are the most prominent areas that you are gonna be putting your makeup. Especially on your cheekbones too.
I'm trying.
This is slowly turning into how to put on makeup for someone that has never put on makeup.
The cost of beauty, Cody, is $15 at Dollar Tree.
Alright, I got it.
Okay, is that it? We're beautiful.
Okay, good. Now that you have your primer on, you guys gotta start with this stuff. It's your liquid makeup foundation.
What? I'm spreading the liquid foundation on my face.
I have no context for how much though. Like, help us with how much.
Start with the littlest amount possible,
Alright.
and then work your way up from there. And if you have a little egg beater, use it.
I can't get a big bowl. All over. Oh, this is not. Yeah, I know enough. I know enough about makeup to know
That is not your
that
color.
this is not my color.
Don't use orange makeup.
This is like the shade that you'd wear in theater when you were borrowing foundation.
Yeah.
And you don't really have the kind that you need.
Ah! What are you doing? Okay, well. Dang, I only got one cheek done. Who thinks I'll be more beautiful than Cody?
No one.
Hey, someone in the comments might think I'll be more beautiful.
We're all good with that. Now we're gonna start with the shimmery parts. So this is highlighter. Highlighter goes on your cheekbones and on your nose and where you want it.
Yeah. You know what? Yeah, okay.
So cheekbones, nose, and everywhere.
Wherever you want to highlight, Dallin.
Yep.
Okay.
So this highlights the areas on your face that you want to be more prominent.
So what I'm realizing is
I know.
you definitely needed way less than I used. Good to know.
Nope.
Cody, you want to be extra beautiful.
He is so bad.
It looks like you're sunburnt a little.
Maybe that's the look I was going for. 'Cause I'm a mermaid.
I'm the sunburned mermaid.
Yes, look at that. Bling
Okay.
bling.
I could maybe salvage this. Let's see. Yeah, okay. That could work, okay. You know?
No, I don't know. Tell me.
I think I salvaged it.
Okay.
On top of your shimmery area that on your cheekbones and on your eyebrows, you want to add more shimmer because you're a mermaid, your glittery stuffs.
All right, so I'm silver.
Yeah.
Go for the gold.
After we're done doing this, we're gonna do our eyes.
Wait.
Eyes are fun.
No.
How are you even getting? Oh, okay, I get it now.
Okay. Just put it on.
So it's like where the highlighter was.
Yeah. Except not on your nose. Don't do it on your nose because then you'll look weird.
Okay. See, I'm glad you said that.
There, put it on my nose.
Good thing you said that when you did.
You're a mermaid. This
Merman!
Mermaid!
Sparkle boy. You know, I might have overdone that.
Let's see.
I think that's been the story of your night with makeup.
I think you
Cody,
could still do a lot more
Cody, I
stuff.
look like a kid
You
from
think
Oliver
so?
Twist now.
Yeah.
Why are merm people supposed to be sparkly? Like, what's
Because
the logic
their
there?
tail. Have you ever seen a fish?
Oh, cause scales. Cause of
Yeah,
scales. You get
yeah.
the general.
Ariel wasn't sparkly.
You don't know.
Now,
No more sparkles?
yes.
I quit.
Okay, fine.
This
Let's
is-
do our eyes.
No more sparkles.
No, we gotta
Okay.
You go big. We bought it.
We're doing
We
this.
bought it from the dollar store. It has to
Use
be
your
done.
eyelash glue,
What? Gross.
and the areas that you want the sparkles on, that's where you're gonna put the glue.
What?
And then you're gonna take the sparkles and put it on there.
So color scheme wise,
Yes, gold.
like you'd go for gold still.
Yeah.
I'm just a golden merman. Okay.
You're a golden fish.
You're of royalty, Cody.
I am royal.
You are a royal
I'm
merman.
Ariel's only brother.
Oh, we are the daughters of Triton. And I'm the only brother. What do I do with this again? Wet and wild. Woo!
I would say do these ones first.
It
'cause
burns.
they're
Why
gonna-
does it burn?
Never a very good fun with burning.
It burns.
Take the glue
Yeah.
and wherever you want like a sparkle, you're gonna put a little dollop there, and then put either a sparkle or a glitter on.
Alright.
Do you want blue or silver? You put the lid on.
This is new to me. Okay.
Okay.
There we go, I'm beautiful.
I'm doing my best.
Oh, lovely.
yeah, great.
It's gonna
That's
slide
good.
off. You gotta hold it. Let it get tacky
Oh! Lost it.
first. I think I'm gonna go with purple. Beautiful. I'm gonna do my eyes while you guys are doing that, so you're gonna have to follow on your own terms.
Wait, I'm almost done. This is gonna be real bad if we don't follow along.
Just listen. For your eyes, you are gonna go really bright because you're a mermaid. They're bright, they're colorful, they're beautiful. I'm gonna go with pink because that's the color I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna do a smoky eye. So first off, you're gonna start with your main color and just kind of coat everything. On the lid, not anything above the eye.
I'm beautiful. What did you say? Bright colors on the eyes.
Yes.
Okay.
Starting with your bright colors first. Bright colors.
Do this.
Then I'll do the blue because that's what
I'm doing pink.
I'm the Arctic merman, so I have to do blue.
So I'm gonna do the crease right here in my eye. I'm just doing like a sun setting motion.
I don't understand how to have an eye looking at your makeup and then also an eye with makeup being put on it.
Why did you do it?
You can see what I mean? It's like,
Oh, it's like chafing my eye.
all right, here we go.
Beauty is pain, beauty is pain. Then you're gonna move on to your darker set, which is gonna be on the corners of your eyes, and you're gonna make a V. You're gonna take the darkest color you have. I usually do black.
Okay, now I really don't know how to do left eye.
I know, it feels so weird.
It's not gonna look good anyway, I'm just gonna close both of them.
I don't know, I'm looking pretty.
I like to put sparkles over my colors after I get the smoky eye done.
I've never attempted anything like this before.
I look terrible, the black ruined everything. Oh.
Wait, so I missed, what's the dark color? What do you do with
You
the dark
do a
color?
V with your eye.
You didn't tell me that.
Oh, see? That's why I ask, you have to ask.
You know, we do things
Right here.
differently in the Arctic, okay?
In the corner.
We don't follow the norm. We're different mermen. We have to be extra manly because of the cold. All right, there we
Oh
go.
no!
There.
Oh no! It's so bad!
Ha! You're all making fun of me. At least I got it in the right
I don't know.
area.
You're gonna take your eyeliner and you are gonna do cat eyes.
That's not coming off.
How are you doing that with your eye open?
My character story for why I have this black
There you
spot is I got too close to an underwater volcano.
Oh,
This.
the pencil?
Yes, so it's easier to not mess up.
So a cat eye?
Mm-hmm.
Meow. Ow!
Did I do better on my left eye?
Yes, you did very good.
Okay, that's much better.
Oh man.
If you want, you can make it darker. So, Cody, watch. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just do a little swoop.
Oh, a little swoop.
I did really bad.
Yep.
I did really bad.
You look like you look.
Yeah, cause I did really bad.
Dallin looks like a 5-year-old from the 80s that got into their mom's makeup.
You know what?
Sorry.
We're strong. We're strong.
Wait, where's-
skinned in the
Then
art.
you let your eyeliner
Where's my
dry.
eyeliner? Where's my eyeliner?
Your eyeliner's right
Oh.
there.
Meow.
I'm gonna make my nose a little shinier because you can never have too much of a pointy nose.
Well, that's Pinocchio.
At this point, I like to let my eyeliner dry, so I go straight to doing my lipstick.
No! My last jewel's gone.
You fell.
They've slowly just been falling.
Pucker up. Yours is liquid.
Uh-huh.
That's cheating.
It's not.
No, it's not. Yours is liquid
on the
too.
bottom.
There's 2 options.
Uh-huh.
I'm assuming this has a similar strategy as chapstick.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Except you don't go everywhere.
I was gonna say I have a feeling that's just super wrong. This is the one thing that I'm like, oh, if you
Did you
mess
do your
this up-
eyeliner?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no, it's smearing.
I'm gonna do my eyebrows while I wait for you guys. You guys are really focused.
Leave me alone. I'm doing my best. This is my color.
Oh my gosh.
I am trying really hard on the lipstick.
Oh
I'm not
no.
gonna lie, I'm kind of scarred seeing Cody wear lipstick.
Don't you love your husband that much more? Okay.
We're gonna do our eyelashes now.
I tried to put it on the wrong way.
No.
We're gonna apply mascara first.
No!
And then attach it because
Aren't we out of time, folks?
Yeah.
if you have an eyelash curler, curl your eyelashes. You guys don't have them because you have eyelashes, and you guys naturally have long eyelashes.
Okay.
So you are going to take your mascara
Yes.
and you're gonna gently brush it up. And sometimes with the new packet, I like to take the extra off because it'll go everywhere. Oh, I stabbed my eye!
Dallin, are you okay?
Oh yeah, just my pride is all. Okay. What's left of it?
Now use your eyelash curler for this, and you can just kind of like crimp your eyelashes, like curling it.
If you think for 1 second I could curl my eyelashes,
Oh.
And
do you
then
have to like shake this up or something?
nope, but I like to scrape the tip so it doesn't go everywhere, so it doesn't get on everything. Like, I'm sorry, Dallin. Like so.
Ow! I think I touched my eyeball with the brush.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
Ow! It's okay. Round 2.
Oh, that was worse than the first. Oh, direct contact. Oh.
My stomach hurts.
Ah. Oh, how's the damage? Not good.
Okay, once you have that on, we're gonna attach the eyelashes.
Anything with the eyes freaks me the heck out. I wear glasses because I can't handle contacts.
I'm
'cause it's
wearing
in my eyes.
contacts.
Like,
Did you
walk
get
in-
your bottom eyelashes too?
No, I did not.
Do your bottom eyelashes too.
No, because that got on the bottom.
I feel like I don't even have eyelashes down there.
Okay, for your eyelashes, gently peel them off because it'll ruin the style of the crimp on the lash. You're gonna take the glue and you're just gonna watch. And you,
Maybe she shouldn't be teaching us.
you're gonna take it and run it along this line.
How do you get the edge? I can't even get the edge off.
Once you have that, you're gonna let it dry for a little bit till it's tacky, and then you're gonna put it directly on.
I got this.
Here you go, put your eyelash on.
What? How?
So you're gonna wanna get it as close.
You know what eyelashes look like? Why is this confusing?
Get it as close, so kind of close your eyes. I like to do this.
No, I can't do that. I don't have that
And
ability.
look down at the mirror and then put it on.
No, I can't.
Okay.
Tilt your head back, it helps. There you go.
Did I get it? Did I get it? I didn't get it. What's next?
So I'm gonna take this right here and I am bringing it down gently and I'm tucking it behind my ear so it's tight.
Okay.
And I'm taking like my color that I based on my eye. So I'm just gonna gently brush it on it.
Ooh.
That's clever. Mm-hmm. Or it's a mermaid that got caught in the net. Much less magical that way.
By the time you're done, you should have scales.
Somehow I know I'm gonna still ruin and mess
I know,
this
this
part
looks
up.
so
Like,
simple.
As long as you tuck it behind your ears and it's really tight on your forehead, you should be just fine.
Oh, well.
I'm a mermaid. What's your eye color?
I've been like gold. I've been like, my theme is gold merman.
You should do the orange then.
The orange.
There.
I am a golden boy.
We
I'm
believe.
just gonna lightly.
Hey, it's not looking too bad.
Okay, let's see how it looks. You literally can't even tell.
Let's do a darker color.
Cody, famous last words. You pretty much can't screw this up.
You gotta get it really, really tight. And I feel like
Oh.
I think it was my bad. This is it. I'm gonna.
This is an all-time low. All right.
Give me the shells and no one gets hurt.
Okay, let's try it.
Ah,
You can't even see. Okay, I'm done with the net thing.
I'll do it on you guys.
No,
Okay.
try it. You do it on down.
Okay.
Don't do it on my.
Pink.
No!
I'll do purple.
Yeah, I use that one. Cody, you're beautiful.
Thank you, Dylan.
Except for your left side of your face, you look like Two-Faced Mermaid.
I'm beautiful. It showed up just
Did it
a
work
little
better?
bit. A little
A little
bit. You can
bit.
see it. Keep it tight. You keep it tight. Because I feel like I'm.
If you turned you upside down, it would be perfect footage of a mermaid caught in the net.
Look at me! Whoa!
Okay, now we know it's just pink. That's what works.
I'm beautiful!
I could do black on you.
Then it just looks like I got burnt by an undersea volcano.
Have you ever seen a koi fish? Let's do black on you. I think it'll look cool because orange and black. You do your own.
Are you gonna have me? Oh, you want me to do it?
I'm
You want me to do the
gonna
net?
do the black on you because
So I'll actually look like a mermaid.
it's gotta be tight against your head.
I'm doing my best.
That's good.
Oh.
It's gonna look good.
Oh no.
Cody, that might be a little too tight. Cody, you're cutting off the circulation in your face.
It'll look extra good. Beauty is pain.
Okay, turn your head.
I can't see.
Cody, I can't. If this doesn't work.
If nothing else, I'll have the red marks from the net. It didn't work.
A little bit on his forehead, like a little bit.
Oh, and my eyelashes are all. This is a disaster.
I think the pink works the best. I can't see the other side.
I can see.
Yeah,
I can
that's just a
see
little
it.
bit.
I can at least see it a little bit.
Are we're beautiful? We all done?
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah.
These are coming up.
Thank you guys.
Thanks for having us on your show.
This was a lot of
A
fun.
lot of fun.
If you guys want to see their videos, this is the side quest, guys. I will have a link in the description below where you could go to their channel. Please subscribe. They just started their channel and they are hilarious.
We'll probably end up doing more stuff like this.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Aloha.